Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to pause, unlist, or completely delete your Airbnb listing. So let's jump right in. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see several navigation options. Go ahead and tap on Listings. This will bring up all your active and inactive Airbnb properties in one place, making it easy to manage them. Once your listings appear, tap on the specific listing you want to modify. This could be any property you currently have listed on Airbnb, whether it's actively accepting bookings or already paused. Now look to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll notice a gear icon. This is your settings menu for this particular listing. Tap on it to access all the management options available for your property. From the settings menu that appears, locate and tap on listing status. This option controls whether your listing is visible to potential guests on Airbnb or hidden from search results. It's a crucial feature if you need to temporarily stop accepting bookings without permanently removing your listing. Here you'll see different status options for your listing. Tap on Unlisted to proceed. This action will immediately pause your listing and remove it from Airbnb's search results, meaning guests won't be able to find or book your property. However, your listing information remains saved in your account, so you can easily reactivate it whenever you're ready to host again. Now, if you want to take things a step further and completely remove your listing from Airbnb, go back to the previous menu. Look for and tap on Remove Listing. This is a more permanent action compared to unlisting, so make sure this is what you want to do. Airbnb will then ask you to provide a reason for removing your listing. Select the option that best fits your situation from the choices provided, then tap Next to continue. This feedback helps Airbnb understand why hosts are leaving the platform. Next, you'll see a confirmation screen. Tap Continue to remove to proceed with the deletion process. Airbnb wants to make sure you're certain about this decision, so they add this extra confirmation step. A final confirmation message will appear on your screen, giving you one last chance to reconsider before permanently removing your listing from the platform. To finalize the removal, tap Remove. Your listing will now be completely deleted from Airbnb, and you've successfully completed the process. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.